Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you my Sony A7R. I've showed it to you before many times, and the camera is very nice. It has a nice small place for the battery, and this battery, by the way, you can see video in the description below that it was power failure, so I have to send it to Sony, so they fixed it. They changed the board because the camera was dead few months after I bought it, but now it's fixed and it's working perfect. Lately I bought 8 batteries for this camera. I had a good price, so I decided to take 8 batteries to buy. But to take 8 batteries, put it in a bag, and you need to find them each time you want to use, so it's not so comfortable. If it's 1 or 2 batteries it's fine, but 8 batteries, so that's a little too much to handle in a bag. So you can, of course, you can put it in a plastic bag, you can put it in a pouch, but I decide, because I have 3D printer, I can print myself a box that you can put the batteries, so it fits inside, fits perfect. So I'm going to show you what I 3D printed, and then all the files on the description below, so you can download the files and print it for yourself. Very simple and nice to use, and really make a difference when you just threw everything in a bag. So you threw this box with batteries just like you put a camera or lens or anything else. Let's get into it and I'm going to show it to you. Here it is, 8 batteries in a cage. You can call it however you like, but they're not going to fall. You put them in and it's like a so-called spring here, so you can just push it out like this, and if you want to put it in, you hear the click, so it holds the batteries in place. This is not going to fall, so you can just take it exactly like you take a camera, lens and any other equipment. You can put it in place in the bag, and it's catch like this amount of space. 8 batteries, very nice and simple, printed any color you want. But this is really helped me when I just take my drone, put a camera, take 8 batteries and put it in a bag, so 8 batteries will hold a long time. And of course you can mark empty, full, so you can make yourself some system that you can understand and know that this is empty, this is full, so you can just think about something. But for me, I take it out, and once I have empty batteries, I take them out of the case, put them on the side, put them on a charger, and only when they full, I put them back into the case here. So yes, very simple to print, not take a long time. That's all I wanted to show you today. How simple is that to take with you 8 batteries in a bag without a big mess. I hope you like this video. Please consider to subscribe, it will help me a lot. And also like this video, share it with your friend, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and bye bye.